Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can track and monitor Wi-Fi data usage on a Samsung Galaxy phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 14 or Android 13. Okay, let's get started. First thing first, we can open our settings application, and after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the connection setting. Click on connection setting, and here you have to go to the data usage. Okay, and you can scroll down a little bit, and this is my Wi-Fi data usage on my Samsung Galaxy phone. And you can check the Wi-Fi data usage of each application. You just need to scroll down like this and check it one by one. Oops, sorry. And this is the Wi-Fi data usage of each application on my Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can track and monitor Wi-Fi data usage on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.